Oh, every time I see you, 그대 눈을 볼 때면 자꾸 가슴이 또 설레어와 내 운명이죠. 세상 끝이라도 지켜주고 싶은 단 한 사람.
Good morning, class. Can you take your seats? Thank you, sir. So, for today, I'm actually going to introduce you to someone who has recently joined our school family. She will be our new student here. Make sure you treat her kindly, and if I hear any reports of bullying, I will personally talk to you. Am I clear? Okay. Did you really do yourself? Okay, thank you for your issue. Can I take your seat over there? Okay. Hello, class. How are you today? Good. Are you ready for your first day of class? Yes. Did you have breakfast today? Yes. Did you sleep well? Yes. So she really didn't have? So, I will be your advisor teacher, and I've been in this school, teaching in this school for over 7 years now. And to introduce myself, my name is John Paul. Hey, what are you doing? What do you mean? Show your right here right now. First warning. First warning. You can only play with your sports balls up during your free time only. Okay? So, it's actually fine today. Class dismissed now. Goodbye, class. See you next. See you.
Hey, watch where you're going. I'm sorry.
Hey, Ishu, you look so lonely. You okay with me?
If it's okay with you.
And
Thanks, Jordan. I really appreciate that.
You should have given me that. You deserve to be saved. Just stick around me on the next show. You saved.
Nga sweet home tayo, mas lindot na rin. Opo, kita mo. I have an important announcement today. This month we'll have a group presentation. It will be about singing a traditional Korean song called Arirang. Although not official, this song is like the national anthem of Korea. And it is one of almost every event like our main actor and even a program presentation is named after the song. There are many interpretations, translations, and versions of this song, but the basic meaning of this song is about the love between two people and how they are longing for each other. And after the longing, a reunion happens between the two. The song is about the deep sorrow and longing for something for someone, but it doesn't have to be related to love between two people. This song is an anthem of Han. Like Han, Arirang is embedded in the blood of the Korean people. Both Han and Arirang describe the soul of the Korean people, but also show the wonderful happiness and peace. Morning, everyone. So as you know, today is the day where you all present your group presentation. Now, you all ready to present your group activities? Okay. Now, which one will we have first? Hey, wow! That was very impressive, Group 1. I can see that all of your members have contributed. So, Group 2, you're next now. Show us your presentation. Okay, sir. Oh, wait. Okay, group 2, you did very well. I'm impressed with your work. And since the school year is ending fastly, this class is now dismissed. Okay, everybody, goodbye.
Are you deaf? Don't you have ears? What do you want again?
Hey, what's going on here?
Holy look, the basketball team is again. Are you ready for your school?
You really want to try this again? Because I'm not backing down.
Okay. You think we're scared of you?
Yeah, you should.
Or else what?
Or else I'll make your life
Or else we'll make your life miserable. Watch out.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for defending me back there.
Yeah, no problem. Wanna sit there?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
How many classes? Are you doing good? Oh, so we're together now?
Something in your eyes, tell me who I am. Something in my heart, whenever you're near. I can read your heart. Everybody knows.
It's beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에 있을게. It's beautiful life. 너의 뒤에 서 있을게. Beautiful life. 하늘 아래 너와 있다면 숨 쉬는 것만으로도